Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how to make bobolo at home. You can make bobolo at home. Oh yes, it's very easy, so keep watching this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share this video, and leave a comment below. If you're gonna try this recipe. So I bought this cassava online on Taobao and I soaked it for 5 days. I couldn't show the first part, the first step, because I wasn't sure of making the bobolo. If you're in China, it's easier because you can find this on Taobao. If you're in China, we all know how expensive bobolo is. Bobolo from home is usually very expensive. So if you're here, you can easily buy this on Taobao, and you can also buy the leaf on Taobao. If you can find the leaf, you can buy, you can use foil paper, so it doesn't matter. I will leave the link below so you can buy directly from Taobao. So guys, watch this video till the end and learn how to make your own bobolo at home. So I'm doing this for easy blending. As you all can see, the cassava isn't that soft because it wasn't fresh. Remember I said I bought this cassava online and it took 3 days to reach here, so it wasn't fresh cassava. So normally when you harvest cassava the same day and soak it the same day, it gets soft, and it also depends on the weather. When the weather is too hot, the cassava will be soft as well. So but for now it doesn't matter because I'm gonna blend this cassava. So here is the blended cassava, cassava puree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze out the water. At this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer the cassava into the mortar, and this is the hardest part in this process because I'm gonna use energy to pound this. I don't have a very nice blender to blend this smoothly, so the only option for me is to use the mortar. I bought this mortar here in China on Taobao. If you also need a mortar, leave a comment below. I'm done pounding the bobolo, so as you can see it looks smooth. These are the leaves. I bought this also on Taobao, and the rope to tie, it came together with the leaves. So everything is possible in China. This is the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.